In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change wallpaper in Windows 11. First, let's open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar. As you do this, you will see a window pop up showcasing various locations on your computer. Look through the left sidebar where you will find options like Quick Access, This PC, Downloads, and Pictures. The Downloads or Pictures folder is typically where you store your images. Click on either of these folders. Once you find your image file, it will be displayed in the main area of the window. This step is crucial because it allows you to locate the image you want to set as your wallpaper. Next up, right-click on the image file you have found. A context menu will appear, revealing several options related to the file. This menu provides quick access to various actions you can perform on the image. By right-clicking, you are telling your computer that you want to interact with this specific file. It is a simple action but an important one. It sets the stage for the next step in changing your wallpaper. Ensure you have selected the correct image as this will be your new background. Now select Set as Desktop Background from the context menu. This option is usually located towards the bottom of the menu. When you click this, your wallpaper will update immediately. You might notice a brief flash as the image sets, confirming your selection. This is an exciting moment as you will see your desktop transform with the new wallpaper. It is essential to know that this process is quick and easy and you can change your wallpaper as often as you like. Once that is done, take a moment to admire your new background. Your desktop environment should now feel refreshed and more personal to you. Changing your wallpaper can enhance your workspace and reflect your style. It is a small change, but one that can make a big difference in how you feel while using your computer. Remember, you can always repeat these steps to switch to a different image whenever you want. In summary, we open File Explorer to locate our desired image. Then we right-clicked on the image file to bring up the context menu. Finally, we selected the option to set the image as our desktop background. This simple process not only refreshes your working environment but also allows you to express your personality through your computer's appearance. Now that you know how to change your wallpaper in Windows 11, feel free to experiment with different images. You can use personal photos, artwork, or scenic landscapes to keep your desktop visually appealing. Each time you change the wallpaper, it can bring a sense of newness and excitement to your daily routine. Enjoy customizing your desktop and make it a reflection of who you are. Thank you for watching and happy decorating.